Bitcoin. It's a word that's been making waves in the financial world and beyond. From news headlines to social media discussions, Bitcoin is everywhere. But what exactly is it? In simple terms, Bitcoin is a digital currency. It's a form of money that exists only in the digital realm. Imagine it like a virtual version of cash that you can use to buy things online and in some physical stores. You can even pay for services and products with just a scan of a QR code. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, Bitcoin is decentralized. This means it isn't controlled by any central authority or institution. Instead, it operates on a global network of computers. These computers work together to validate and record transactions on a public ledger known as the blockchain. One of the key features of Bitcoin is its limited supply. This is a crucial aspect that sets it apart from traditional currencies. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This cap on supply ensures that Bitcoin remains scarce. This scarcity contributes to its value and makes it resistant to inflation. As demand increases, the value of Bitcoin can rise significantly. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the world of cryptocurrency, understanding Bitcoin is essential in today's digital age. It represents a shift in how we think about money and financial transactions. The story of Bitcoin begins in 2008 with a mysterious figure named Satoshi Nakamoto. Nakamoto published a white paper outlining the concept of a decentralized digital currency. In 2009, Nakamoto released the first version of the Bitcoin software, and the first Bitcoin transaction took place. The identity of Satoshi Nakamoto remains unknown to this day, adding to the intrigue surrounding Bitcoin's origins. Bitcoin's creation was a response to the financial crisis of 2008. It aimed to provide a more transparent and secure alternative to the traditional financial system. From its humble beginnings, Bitcoin has grown into a global phenomenon. It has paved the way for countless other cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects. At the heart of Bitcoin lies the blockchain, a revolutionary technology that underpins the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. Imagine it as a digital ledger that records every single Bitcoin transaction ever made, ensuring accuracy and transparency. This ledger is not stored in one place but is distributed across a vast network of computers worldwide, making it decentralized and resilient. When you make a Bitcoin transaction, it's broadcast to the entire network, ensuring that all participants are aware of the transaction. Special computers called miners work tirelessly to verify and add your transaction to a block, using complex algorithms to ensure its validity. Each block is then linked to the previous block, forming a continuous chain, hence the name blockchain, which is both descriptive and functional. This interconnected structure makes the blockchain highly secure, as altering any information would require changing all subsequent blocks, a nearly impossible task. The blockchain ensures transparency and immutability, meaning once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be altered or deleted. It allows anyone to track Bitcoin transactions in real time, providing a level of openness that prevents double spending and fraud. This innovative technology has the potential to revolutionize various industries beyond finance, including supply chain management, healthcare, and even voting systems, by providing a secure and transparent way to record and verify data. Section 4. Bitcoin Transactions, a step-by-step guide. Making a Bitcoin transaction is easier than you might think. With just a few simple steps, you can send and receive Bitcoin effortlessly. First, you need a Bitcoin wallet. This is a digital tool that allows you to store, send, and receive Bitcoin. This digital wallet stores your Bitcoin address, which is like your bank account number, and your private key, which is like your password. It's crucial to keep your private key secure. To receive Bitcoin, you simply share your Bitcoin address with the sender. This can be done via text, email, or by scanning a QR code. To send Bitcoin, you enter the recipient's address, the amount you want to send, and pay a small transaction fee. Double-check the details to ensure accuracy. Once you initiate the transaction, it's broadcast to the network. This means your transaction is sent out to be verified. Miners verify and add it to the blockchain. This process ensures the transaction is legitimate and secure. Transactions typically take around 10 minutes to an hour to be confirmed. The time can vary based on network congestion. Once confirmed, the Bitcoin is transferred to the recipient's wallet. You will receive a notification confirming the transaction. Image: a simplified illustration of a Bitcoin transaction being added to the blockchain.